So it turns off. Besides going 8 to 4.
Again, I'll double check that it's on that one.
Okay.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! Today is Black Friday and we're going to shopping! RJ! You probably have no comments, RJ. And we go to where, RJ?
Best Buy.
Best Buy and Gmc. If have time.
Then after that, we're gonna go set up the Christmas tree.
Yeah,
Gonna make a video of that also.
yeah. Maybe that. Maybe. And we go to Gmc. We look at if we like or not. Daddy, we like to test drive the pickup truck. If can test drive or not, maybe it's closed now. Okay, let's go. Almost there.
That's Best Buy.
Yeah, there's Best Buy.
See it, RJ?
The Best Buy.
I can see the on.
But this is Target.
It's closed now.
Now they picked up.
No, I'm just saying Target's going to probably stock more toys.
And there is Best Buy.
Maybe Walmart too might
We
stock
go
more
later
toys.
there.
This would be a big demand.
And here is James.
That's the red one they want us to test drive today.
Wow,
See, RJ?
that you like, RJ, red one. There you go. The
It's
red
pretty
one.
low.
It's okay. It's look like nice too.
I remember them being higher.
Of other, what's that?
Other, that's like a Denali.
Denali. We here in Gmc.
Huh.
There is certified service.
We got balloons. Oh look, there's a new one.
Oh, there is. Kingrap, Gmc.
Do it.
Go inside
Right.
now. There's RJ. You go inside now. There is. We try tasting. This tribe later. Hi. Okay. Here we go. We go, Daddy. Here we go. Skin grab. There he is. Okay, go, RJ. Here we go. Here we go,
Oh, there's your
RJ.
seats you like.
Yeah, that's what I like.
Get in the back.
See that?
You know, is this upgradable like nav? You upgrade an SLT that doesn't have nav? Is that software?
Mommy,
Yeah.
where's my
And here's
seatbelt?
RJ.
Seatbelt. Seatbelt.
Audiobooks, whatever you got on your phone, it's up here.
Okay.
I'm just doing it that way.
So big, huh?
Is this a charging thing?
Yep.
Does that come with
Your
it?
phone has wireless charge.
So it turns off. Besides going 8 to 4.
Again, I'll double check that it's on that one. I'm wrong. I think it's only the ones that have the auto stop. I think it's only on the ones that are the e-assist. Like a sort of a light hybrid
This might not have that.
on this generation. Again, I need to double check. Well, that's the 19s especially. It's almost
19s
creepy
are
how accurate it is. Like, I haven't seen any documentation that says it does this, but I've seen it do it several times.
Would have turned off by now.
Yep.
But usually it would be a drive. You're sitting in the light.
Right. services, kids playing on apps, whatever. While I'm on drives. Yeah, it was insane. It was still busy.
Come on, Sal.
But we're all here. There's nobody off today. Well, the boss is off. It's the main sales manager, but he's mostly there for, training. That's it. 19069.
Look.
That's one of our lot techs. I talked to him and he said he'd already been asked about it. He doesn't know because he doesn't even remember ever having it. Not sure how it happened. Just go up there. Oh, we're reading right here. Yep. You can see that one there. What do you think, RJ? Is that a cool truck? Yeah, it's honestly famous.
Yes, RJ already done his.
Pedal seats?
Yeah,
I don't.
I like that. RJ. There is RJ in the front seat.
That's crazy.
Inside the back here, look at this, the trim here.
It's like a household stuff. Plug in computers and phones.
And have the step here. And here. RJ, yes, RJ. There he is. See. Oh, don't step, RJ. You can fit there, honey.
Yeah.
It's me.
It's this.
Look at the maps. There it goes.
There, you can fit, RJ.